What's up, guys?
Massive disappointment here.
Be it that I hate vlogging, as you can see here, I am completely gonna redo my channel and do card openings. Yay! So, at the time of recording this, Rise of the Duelist is the newest pack out for Yu-Gi-Oh! I have 4 blisters here, and I'm gonna see if I can pull anything even remotely close enough to what it dented in my wallet. So, with the power of editing, let me take off the stupid cardboard and plastic off these fuckers. I'll be right back. Now that we're here, so you can see I have 4 boosters. I can't afford a box up until I can. Stupid security. I will only open blisters because it's all I can afford. So, let's see what we can pull. So if I believe that I am right, the card trick should be 1, 2, 3 to the back. Okay. Spiral discharge. Mathematic diameter. Okay. Spiral. Is everyone just gonna get their fusion? Like, what the fuck? Like, this is Gaia centric. So is everyone just gonna get their fusion, or am I just going to go insane? Because everyone has their fusion now. Bubba's actor Twinkle Little. Really? Really, Konami? Twinkle Little Star. Every name. You have. I'm done with you. Curse of Dragon, the Cursed Dragon. Dark Lord Uprising. Dogmatica Nexus. Ooh. Mangicilia, the Deep Sea City. So it's Atlantis. It's Atlantis. Okay, yeah, sorry about the cut. My SD card ran out of memory because it's garbage, so on to the next pack. Can we get better luck here? What am I hoping for out of this? Let's just, oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Math. Infernable Arms. Hut. Another Spiral Discharge. Oh yes, Melfi! Melfi Pony. I forgot the Melfis were in here. I'm looking for cat and dog. Yes, cat and dog. Spiral Fusion. Unauthorized boot up device. It's a human card. Dark Lord Uprising. Nexus. Magius. And then for our final card, Ogier from the Infernal Knights. Nice. Should probably put the shinies back here. Common garbage out there. 2 packs left. Can we get any luck? Can we pull a Starlight out of this? Probably not. But a man can hope. A man can hope. Infernal Captain Roland. Such a basic name, Captain Roland. I had a manager named Roland once. So basic. DD Evil. Oh, might as well say DD Good too. Melfi Hide and Seek. Oh, that's cute. Ancient Warrior Saga. Fright for Repair. Another boot up device. Uprising. Dogmatica. Okay. It's probably another Infernal Knight. Yeah. Oliver. Gee. Pulled out the PR for that one, huh? Just asked around, said, what names can you say in all languages? Oliver. Thanks. Konami. Alright. Last pack. At this point, I've given up hope in making my money back out of these. I don't just open packs for the money. I actually like the game, but it would also be nice to, you know, at least split even with cards. Magius. Negral. See, that's just sus. That name is just sus. Alright. Ooh, Melfumami. Cool. That name is also sus. Very sus. Nation. And then for our last one, Nemesis Keystone. We got a rock. It's not just a boulder. It's a rock. If I can focus. Oh, focus. Piece of shit. Anyways. Alright. So recap. We got Nemesis Keystone. Infernoble Knight Oliver. The Deep Sea City. And then Ogier. But ladies and gentlemen, you thought I was done. No. This YouTube channel will also have a series called Search for the $1,000 card, otherwise known as 10,000 Dragon. I have 2 Battle of Legend here. I originally wasn't going to make this a Battle of Legend opening only. Stupid SD card keeps running out of memory. Anyways, what was I saying? Yeah, let's open these 2. QR code if you need that. That's for survey. I don't know what that does. It's not Pokemon. Honestly, if Yu-Gi-Oh play an online game, I'd play the shit out of it and buy more cards. But Konami's stupid, so it doesn't. Anyways, Battle of Legend Armageddon. Let's see what we can do. What damage to my pocket will I feel this time? I know it's 1 to the back. So we got Kappa Scale. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Lion Emperor. I love this series. I love this this archetype. The Brotherhood Fist. Boost Warrior. Number 4 Numeron Gate Carpet. Caviar. And then we got C1 Numeron Chaos Gate Sonia. I don't know why I find that funny. Anyways, we continue. And it's 1 to the back. Wait, hold up. Is that damaged? That's some bullshit. Target, zip your game up. Alright, we got a Planter Electrolyte World. They're all shiny, so Seeker is over there. Number 3 Numeron Gate Trini. Junk Anchor. Secure Gardena. Ooh, and Chimera Tech Mega Flea Dragon. Worth absolute wank, but it's a pretty card. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you're watching, click like, subscribe for more Yu-Gi-Oh funness. Also, in the comments, make sure to tell me if you want to see just Yu-Gi-Oh or if you want to see Pokemon as well, because I'm willing to open and buy more Pokemon packs because I love opening cardboard inside of aluminum. So, see y'all next time. Deuce.